Dear friends, welcome to the Postal Export Guru channel. I am going to discuss today about the prohibited, restricted and dangerous goods via postal channel. Dear friends, before going forward, I just request you to please subscribe this video so that you may get auto notification of my next video. So let's proceed. So what is the general prohibition and restrictions? So there are various types of prohibited goods. First is general prohibition restrictions. Second, as per customs, some items are prohibited to send to other countries. Again, items when sent via air, then the items which are prohibited as per IATA, International Air Transport Associations, are prohibited. And if the items is being sent via sea, then the items which are prohibited by International Maritime is prohibited, and some of the items are prohibited by export import policy. So see the general prohibitions and restrictions. Any illegal items which is illegal by which is not to be sent either by the rules, law of the country of origin or in the country of as per the rules or law of the country of destination, which are prohibited, that should not be sent. Then any indecent, obscene, seditious or scurrilous material should not be sent to other country. Any living creatures except bees, leeches, silkworm, etc. cannot be sent through post. Bees, leeches and silkworm may be sent under special packaging or special conditions. Opium, morphine, cocaine or other narcotics items are banned to be sent. Counterfeit and pirated goods should not be sent, and any sharp instrument should not be sent to the other country. Now every country has some prohibition and restrictions. So dear friends, there is a link, I have given a link in the descriptions box where you can see the PDF country wise which item you cannot send to that country. So before sending any item, you can refer this list also. Then dangerous goods. What is dangerous goods? Dangerous goods, DG goods means as per International Civil Aviation Organization, dangerous goods means the goods, substances that are capable of posing a risk to health or safety, property or the environment, or which are shown in the list of dangerous goods in the technical instructions or classified according to the technical instructions. Dangerous goods mailed by air can be exposed to improper handling, extreme in temperature, extreme in pressure or vibration. So what should not be sent through air? That is explosive. So explosive, any fireworks, crackers, ammunitions, gunpowder, flares or warning flares should not be sent via air. Then compressed gases, butane, lighter fuels, diving tanks, camping gases, butane gas, spray, extinguishers, any flammable liquids like oil lighters, lighter fuels, oil paints, additions bond, flammable perfumes. Then flammable substances like matches, charcoal, oxidizing substances, oxygen generator chemicals, peroxides, bleaching powder. Then toxic and infectious substances like pesticides, agriculture chemicals, mercury compound, bacteria, viruses. Then radioactive material like thorium, uranium or other like radioactive substance, corrosive material like wet batteries, mercuries, hydrochloric acids, miscellaneous dangerous goods like magnetic goods, engine, solid carbon dioxides, lithium batteries, all are prohibited by sending through post. Then export policy, as per Directorate General of Foreign Trade Policy, some of the items are banned to export like e-cigarette or its components, agricultural product like onion, wheat or wheat product, gold bar, etc. So friends, these are the some of the prohibited or restricted item, and this is my first video on this topic, and I will continue to post 2-3 more videos on this topic. To keep watching because these are very important, and most of the items are being sent through postal channel, are either rejected by customs or by airlines security. So in that cases uh, your postage are not returned, and you will be, and you are in loss side. So before sending any item, you have to ensure that your parcel is not containing any prohibited, restricted or dangerous goods. Dear friends, please subscribe this video, share this video among your friends, or other exporters, so that they may get benefit of this information. If you have any question, then don't hesitate to post in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. And further, you may put the subject or the matter on which you need my video. I will prepare and post that video also. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks friend.